Magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat. Until the time I responded to my true vocation to the priesthood, I realized I have been searching tirelessly and restlessly for these three things in order to find what they called happiness or fulfillment. Now, these three things may well be what men and women seek all their lives. We seek heroes, we seek meaning, and we seek the truth. Una, we look for heroes. It starts when we are young. We seek people who are role models. In today's language, especially lengguwahe ng mga kabataan, they come up with terms like lodis, sakalam, OG, goats, no? People that they look up to, people that they admire, and people that they aspire to be. Now, if you look at their phones, mga kabataan, check their wallpapers, check their social media accounts, who they follow, they like, and they subscribe to, you get a glimpse of who their modern heroes are. Unfortunately, our search for heroes will always fall short. Jesus is saying in our gospel today, search for heroes or idols no more. Follow me. Second, aside from heroes, we search for meaning, kabuluhan. This is the predominant disposition of young people, especially young adults, trying to find their place in this world, their purpose in life. Their search for heroes growing up will shift to search for meaning, and they will try to find many things, search far and wide, and they will say yes and no to many choices until they find what they are seeking, until their restlessness has been satisfied. You'll be surprised, marami sa kanila, dati midlife crisis lang, ngayon hindi na midlife, maaga, quarter life crisis. Yung pinag-aralan nila, hindi na yan yung magiging career path nila. Suddenly, they will change what they do as young adults in search or in pursuit of what they call passion, what they love to do, and what gives them meaning. Unfortunately, our search for meaning will always fall short if we do not respond to the call of Christ, our true vocation, the call of Christ in the gospel, come and see, after his call of follow me. And third, aside from heroes and meaning, this, we seek the truth. Lahat tayo, we all hunger and seek the truth. But for some, in order to satisfy their search for heroes and their search for meaning, they dictate their own truth, my truth, and they live in their own illusion, in their own bubble. Unfortunately, our search for our truth will always fall short if we do not seek truth himself. Jesus said it himself, I am the way, the truth, and the life. He said in the gospel, you will see greater things than this. What is this? Than what our subjective truth has shown. We will see greater things if we open our eyes and we really look for the truth. If only we respond to his call of follow me, and then you will come and see. Brothers and sisters, God knows that our search for heroes, for meaning, and for the truth, it will never end until we find the source of it and we reach the summit of our search. Now in the gospel, if we go back here, if we listen to the first words, what Jesus said in the Gospel of St. John, it is very profound. He said, what are you looking for? He knows we are constantly hungering or searching for something. But He is saying, follow me. Come, and you will see. And you will see greater things than this. That's the reason for His incarnation and for His birth. He's coming like one of us, so that in God made man, our search for heroes ends, especially when we see Him nailed on the cross for our sake. In God, who walked among us, our search for meaning ends, especially when we imitate and follow what He did and what He asks of us. In God, who made Himself present in the bread and wine, our search for truth is satisfied. For it is in the Eucharist that we find the source and the summit of our Christian life. Kay Jesus, our search ends. Amen.